Yes, as a good developer, we want to cover our classes or methods as much as we can. And there are some tools which can help us to show the report of the amount of the code that is covered with the unit tests. So in this video we are learning how PHP unit and XDebug can be used to achieve so. So firstly I need to install a extension from PHP, that is XDebug. So let's simply go to the website and install the XDebug on your machine. So you can see the different ideas how this can be installed on the different operating systems. Since I'm on Mac OS, I can simply copy the command, and in my terminal I can simply install it. Since I have already installed it, it shows some sort of the install field. But if you have not installed it, you can basically get the desired output. So firstly, I will generate a code coverage report in the plain text format. So by running the particular command, the same command that is used to run the unit test, which is prepended by the xdebug mode, is equal to coverage, and the coverage it will be shown as a text format. So you can see I can get the summary that the classes have 100% of the code coverage and the methods are also covered fully. So those were the two files that were covered within this particular part. So also with xdebug I can generate a HTML report which provides a very good and the beautiful dashboard which can help me to see the code coverage. So for this I can simply run the another command, which now instead of coverage text it is coverage HTML, and I need to pass a parameter called anything. It can be anything. Basically we can specify the folder where the report will be generated. So now as you can see we have generated a code coverage in the HTML format. So to view this I can go to my file viewer, and within my project over here you can see there is a folder created with a name called cob, and over there I can run the main index.html. So from there I can have the very beautiful UI where you can see the code coverage for the particular folder and the different files. So I can go to the particular folder, I can go to the particular file. So over there this will show how the code is, the particular files or the particular lines of the code which is executed or the covered by unit test. So this is very handy and beautiful implementation that we can get with PHP Storm and xdebug. So I can go to the next file. You can see for the controller as well. So now you can see it is covered completely. Also it provides a very beautiful dashboard which can be seen to see the report of the code coverage. So thank you so much. Please use this tool to have and increase your productivity.